So here we have this Sweetcrispy fabric dresser. Now I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review of everything you need to know. There's everything laid out. We got 8 drawers, 3 of these side pieces for the main frame, the top, all the hardware to put it together, and then of course the instructions. So let's get started. So first we need to attach all 3 vertical pieces to the top of the dresser. And I just put a couple pieces of foam under it so I didn't scratch the top. Next we're gonna go ahead and screw in these 2 horizontal pieces to the bottom. Then go ahead and line up the brace, and if you don't see a hole there, that means you put it on the wrong side. So after flipping it around, I secured on both braces and then screwed in the leveling feet. Flip it over, turn it around, and then we can start building the drawers. Put the flat piece on the bottom and then secure on the handles from the back. Do that 7 more times and then your dresser's done. And as you saw, it was a really simple build. It's pretty sturdy. I know those braces on the back definitely helped with that. It has leveling feet, which is always a bonus in my book. And I really like how easy it was to put together because these vertical pieces are just a single piece. I think the dresser looks pretty cool, and the one I got would look pretty nice in an industrial style home. The top is a nice big piece of laminated particle board, and then these drawer fronts are just this kind of printed vinyl stuff, and they look good, but I would have preferred if it was a thin piece of wood. And they're not that noticeable, but there are a few of these creases on the front of the drawers. The handles are made of plastic, and those would have also benefited from being made of wood. Anyway, the inside of the drawers give you a decent bit of space to put some clothing, or if you want to store toys in this, then you could do that too. They're just made of this hardboard covered in fabric, so they're not the most sturdy, but they'll do the job. They just slide on these simple metal angle irons here that are welded to the vertical pieces. And they have a stopper in the back, so you don't push the drawer all the way through. And now let me give you the measurement. The drawers are about 14.5 inches wide, 11 inches deep, and 7.5 inches tall. The dresser itself stands at right over 3 foot, and then the top is 31.5 inches long by almost 12 inches wide. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this shelf. You can really put whatever you want in it, from clothes to toys. I wouldn't put any books in it because that'd probably be too heavy, but if you wanted to put some up top, I think that'd be just fine. And it's definitely not going to be as sturdy as a solid wood dresser, but it's sturdy enough for what it is. So if you're looking for a decent sized minimalistic dresser to hold your clothes, then I think this is a pretty good deal for what you get.